Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make green goddess dressing. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back and thanks so much for joining us today on whatever platform you watch the show on. We really appreciate it. Like I said, we're making green goddess dressing. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We got 3/4 cup of sour cream, 3/4 cups of mayonnaise, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, 2 teaspoons of chopped tarragon, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 anchovy fillets, 1/4 cup of minced chives, and a little salt and pepper to taste along the way. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, basically all you want to do is you want to get a little blender of some sort, and you want to just add all your ingredients into it, like thus. Get our mayonnaise, and our sour cream. Throw our anchovy fillet in there, our tarragon, a little bit of salt and pepper. Get our parsley, get lemon in there, 2 cloves of garlic, the other half of the lemon. Get a seed in there, not a big deal. It's going to grind up pretty good. I got a couple in there, but I'm not going to worry about it. And then you got some chopped chives that are going to go right in here. Alright, now we're just going to mix it up, let it blend real well. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, that looks like green goddess. That looks really well, really good. I'm going to go ahead and blend it one more time. Then we're going to come back. I got a salad made. We're going to take some groovy pictures of this. We're going to come back and give it a taste. Don't miss that. Alright, a beautiful salad. Let's get a little look. First I want to do is I want to taste the dressing. Just look at right there on this fork here. Oh wow, yeah. Right away I'm getting the acidity from the sour cream, creaminess of that mayonnaise. Get a little bit of the lime acidity too from the lemon. Oh, and that parsley blended in there with the garlic. That makes it fantastic dressing. Let's try it on the salad here now. Got some of these greens out of my garden. This is very good. Very good dressing. It makes about a little more than 1.5 cups. Like I say, you keep it in a little carafe or a little jar or something covered in your refrigerator, probably up to 3 weeks. Still be good. It's very good, very rich, very good for summer. It's got a good tang for that summer, refreshing kind of element to it. So, one more bite and we gotta go. Don't forget that the recipe for this is down in the description box or the first pinned comment. And also go check out my store, it's onlyfood.biz. Check out my gourmet seasonings. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.